If you've been telling yourself, I need to set up a trust, but haven't done it yet, this message is for you. Listen, most people know they need a trust. They know it protects their assets, their family, and everything they've worked for. But between all the legal jargon, not knowing where to start, and the endless back and forth, it just never gets done. And every day you wait is another day everything you built is exposed. Hello, I'm Diva Lyri, and I created the 2026 Trust Summit specifically for people just like you. And in just 3 days, I'm going to walk you through the exact system I use to create, fund, and legally protect your assets, your family, and your freedom with a trust. Now, no confusing legal steps, no overwhelmingness, no more putting it off. You'll discover how to get your trust done the right way once and for all. So you're no longer guessing, procrastinating, or leaving your assets and the people you love unprotected. Spots are limited, and this will fill up fast. So claim your ticket now, and I'll see you inside the 2026 Trust Summit. Click the link below, and let's go.